A very good morning to all the students of class 7th. Dear students, how are you all? I hope you people are taking good care of yourself and your family members too. Dear students, as you know that coronavirus is not stopping, it's spreading very widely. So, I advise that please do stay at home. Wash your fruits and vegetables before eating. Wash your hands for 20 seconds if in case of emergency you have to go somewhere out. Wear your face mask whenever you move out of the house. Because dear students, staying at home is staying healthy. So, I, Nila Seni, your SST teachers, brought a thought of the day, that is, it is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win a person. That means किसी से भी लड़ाई झगड़ा करना या किसी से भी लड़ाई करना बहुत easy है, but it is very difficult to cooperate with him. किसी से भी को भी हराना easy है, but किसी को भी जीतना बहुत मुश्किल है. So try to win people instead of losing them. And practice kindness all day to everybody. You should be kind to each and every human being, and you will realize you are already in heaven now. Kindness doesn't mean only with the human beings, with the animals, with the plants. Do not pluck plants also. With the maid that comes at your place, with the person who takes your garbage. You should be kind to each and every person around you, your younger ones, your elder ones. So, if you are kind to everyone, you have already reached to the heaven. So, dear students, now today we will be starting a new chapter of geography, that is chapter number 2, Inside Our Earth, that is of your NCERT book. Inside our Earth. Now the question rises that Earth inside and outside. You can see that Earth, outside from Earth we can see plants, then mountains, rivers, lakes, etc. So many things. Even you see that, like if I draw this as Earth, then here are the mountains, then you are also there on the Earth, then the plains are there, then the plants are there. But the question is there something inside the Earth? Earth के अंदर कुछ है या it is hollow, कुछ भी नहीं है? No, that is not there. Do you have curiosity? Have you seen inside the Earth? No, I have also not seen inside the Earth. So I have an experience. When I was young, I had a ball. I wanted to see that tennis ball. Ki what is inside this? I had that curiosity. But when I cut it down, it was hollow from inside. There was nothing. But that is not with the Earth. Earth have many things inside it. Now you have seen the outer side of the Earth, and we will be studying in this chapter. This is just an introduction which I am giving you. The interior of the Earth, that is Sia and Sima. Sia and Sima, they are not brothers and sisters. They are will be explaining you. That is the aluminium and the magnesium. That I will be explaining you when I will start this. Then we will study about the rocks and the minerals. Then we will talk about the igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, rock cycle, and facts that are given in your book. Now, what is an Earth? We are studying about what is inside the Earth. If we cut it like this, say it as a piece of cake, So we can see, if we cut it, we have cut the earth. Now we see inside the earth we have different layers of it. That is, uppermost is crust, then comes the mantle, then comes the core. That is the innermost. Now dear students, let me take one more example. Like we have taken out the piece of cake. That is, the uppermost is the crust, then the mantle, and then the core. The crust is the uppermost part. Now we can also explain in one more form. That is, take an example of an egg. When you boil an egg, the uppermost shell, it is a bit hard, and it is the crust, because crust is very thin and it is solid too. So the shell is, we can say, as crust. Then the white portion of the egg, the white portion of the egg is mantle, or the magma, or the mantle. The white portion is mantle, that is magma. Then we come to the innermost, that is the yellow part of the egg. We compare it with core, because it is the innermost part of the inside of the earth. There are other layers also, but we will be studying in later classes. Now we have to study only the 3 layers of the earth, that is crust, mantle and core. I hope the 2 examples to explain the inner of the earth is enough. Now we start with the, first we talk about the outside of the earth, that is mountain, plains and plateau. Inside the earth we have 3 layers: crust, mantle and core. Crust is the uppermost part, that is like a shell, that is very thin and solid. Then comes the magma, that is mantle, which is semi-solid, and the innermost is the 3rd layer, that is the core. So I hope you have understood all the 3 layers. Now we start up with the uppermost part, that is crust. Now talking about the crust, it is the uppermost layer over the earth's surface. Crust, it is the uppermost layer of the earth surface. Uppermost भी है ये, और it is the solid also, and it is also thin, and it is the thinnest layer. It is the thinnest layer. It is the thinnest layer of all. It is the thinnest layer of all layers. सारी layers में से ये जो है thinnest है, सबसे पतली वाली. It is above. It is about 35 kilometers. If we go to the depth, then it is about 35 kilometers on the Earth's surface. On the continental mass. Now it is now this consists of continental mass. It is about the 35 kilometers on the continental mass. 35 kilometers, that means its depth is 35 kilometers on the continental mass. See, this is the picture in your book which I had already drawn for you. This is the crust is the thinner most layer. सबसे thinnest layer है, very thin, thinner most layer, and it is 35 kilometers on the continental mass. And it is 5 kilometers on the oceanic crust. 5 kilometers है oceanic crust में, only 5 kilometers on the oceanic crust. Now we have to understand the difference. That is, it is about 35 kilometers on the continental mass. That is mass, and continental masses, and only 5 kilometers on the oceanic crust. तो oceanic crust और continental masses में फ़र्क है. About 35 kilometers जो है वो continental mass में है, and 5 kilometers जो है वो oceanic crust में है. And ये जो है uppermost layer है, और ये जो है over it is the uppermost layer over the earth's surface. It is called the crust. It is the thinnest layer, and it is about 35 kilometers on the continental mass. Only 5 kilometers on the oceanic crust. तो सिर्फ 5 kilometers जो है वो oceanic crust पे है. Now for this I'll show you how it is. So this is the lithosphere. This is the lithosphere. Then from lithosphere, this is continental crust. This is sedimentary deposit, and this is the oceanic crust. Now you can understand the difference like this. See, और continental crust जो है वो तो ये रहा, masses 35 kilometers, और oceanic crust that is 5 kilometers. Lithosphere and sedimentary deposits are not your concern. I have just made to explain you the parts, how it is different from the oceanic crust and from the continental crust. And जो oceanic crust है ना वो comprised है मतलब दबा हुआ है. किस चीज से दबा हुआ है? दबा हुआ है with heavy silica and magnesium. सिलिका और मैग्नीशियम से दबा हुआ है, क्योंकि सिलिका और जो मैग्नीशियम है दे आर वेरी हैवी, तो उन्होंने इसको दबा रखा है. आई विल शो यू. How does it is been comprised? This is the oceanic crust. इसके ऊपर जो है वो है मैग्मा और सिलिका. ठीक है, उससे इससे इतना वो इतने हैवी है दोनों मेटल्स, मैग्नीशियम और सिलिका, कि उसने बिल्कुल उसको दबाया हुआ है अपने नीचे, उसकी वजह से ये कंप्रेस्ड है, ओशियाटिक क्रस्ट। ओशियाटिक क्रस्ट, ओशियाटिक क्रस्ट जो है वो इससे दबा हुआ है, सिलिका और मैग्नीशियम से, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी हैवी। अब द मेन मिनरल्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस क्रस्ट एंड दी सिलिका, इस क्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं, ये दोनों कैसे बने बताती हूँ आपको। जो मैग्नीशियम और जो क्रस्ट और जो सिलिका है ये मिले हैं, जैसे कि सिलिका का हम ले लेंगे SiLiCa, सिलिका प्लस एल्यूमिनियम ALUMINIUM, एल्यूमिनियम। तो ये सिलिका और जो एल्यूमिनियम है, इनको हमने दोनों को इसका ले लिया हमने Si और एल्यूमिनियम का Al, तो ये बन गया SiAl, Cr। ये हमने स्टार्टिंग में पढ़ा था, याद है, यू रिमेम्बर। एंड दूसरा जो बनेगा दैट इज सिलिका प्लस मैग्नीशियम, दैट इज Si प्लस, मैग्नीशियम के लिए हम लेंगे Ma, दैट इज SiMa, सीमा। तो लाइक दिस इट इज बीन मेड। जो ये अपर मोस्ट लेयर है क्रस्ट का सिलिका, इसमें आता है कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट, और जो सीमा है इसमें आता है ओशियाटिक क्रस्ट। तो अपर लेयर दैट इज SiLa, दैट इज, ये क्या आता है, ये किसके अंदर आता है, अपर लेयर से कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट, और ये है ओशियानिक क्रस्ट। Like this, the two things have been formed, Sial and Sima, SiMa Sima and SiLa Sima. I'll repeat the things. The main minerals constitute मतलब दोनों चीज़ें मिलके कैसे बनते हैं, that is the crust are silica and aluminium, and silica that is silica का Si और aluminium का Al, तो Sial बन गया। and the main minerals constitution of oceanic crust and the silica, and that is the Si plus Ma, that is Sima. Now the uppermost layer is the crust, and that is the Sial, constituted with continental crust, plus Sima is oceanic crust. Sima is oceanic crust. So now I think you are clear with that. The uppermost layer, that is crust. Now we come to mantle, that is the second layer, that is mantle. Up under mantle comes the, हमने क्रस्ट उसके बारे में प्रॉपर अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लिया कि व्हाट इज द अपर मोस्ट लेयर, दैट इज द वेरी थिन लेयर एंड बट इट इज सॉलिड क्रस्ट, और ये 35 किलोमीटर कॉन्टिनेंटल मासेस में है और 5 किलोमीटर्स ऑन दी ओशियाटिक क्रस्ट में है। और वो मैंने आपको डायग्राम के तरह दिखा भी दिया। व्हाट इज सीमा एंड सिया, दैट इज ऑल्सो क्लियर। व्हाट इज सियाल, दैट इज ऑल्सो क्लियर। नाउ वी कम टू मेंटल। जस्ट बीनीथ द क्रस्ट इज द मेंटल, बिल्कुल नीचे ही जो है वो है मेंटल। इट इज दिस पोर्शन, ऊपर का जो है वो आ गया आपका क्रस्ट, देन दिस वन इज मेंटल। अब जो मेंटल है वो एकदम जो है क्रस्ट के नीचे, क्रस्ट के बिल्कुल नीचे जो है वो दैट इज मेंटल. एंड द मेंटल enters up to the depth of 2900 kilometers below the crust. 2900 kilometers, ये क्रस्ट से 2900 किलोमीटर्स नीचे है. और जैसे कहा जाता है कि इट्स वो से कि जैसे जब ये लावा जब फटता है व्हेन द वोल्केनो erupts, तो कैसे सारा लावा बाहर आता है, तो वैसे ही जो मेंटल है दैट इज इन द इनसाइड द इतना 29 किलोमीटर है, तो जब ये बाहर आता है तो इट इज जस्ट लाइक व्हेन द एज द लावा कम्स आउट ऑफ द वोल्केनो. एज इन द माइथोलॉजी सेज कि व्हेन द गॉड गेट्स एंग्री ही ओपन्स हिज थर्ड आई, और यहाँ वो रुद्र अपने लेते हैं, तो दैट लाइक दैट व्हेन ही बर्स्ट, सो लाइक दैट ओनली इट इज कंपेयर्ड विद द मेंटल. Now the innermost layer, this is all about the mental. Now the innermost layer in the earth is the core. This innermost मतलब सबसे अंदर है core. इसके भी अंदर है core. So it is the innermost layer of earth's surface, that is the core. अब इसमें core में क्या है? Radium of the core is about 35 kilometers, 3500 kilometers. इसकी रेडियम है 3500 kilometers. It is mainly made up of nickel. ये निकल एंड आयरन से बना होता है. तो आयरन का तो आपको पता है ना, आयरन की कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है Fe, और निकल की कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है निकल is Ni. तो निकल की कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इज Ni एंड आयरन इज Fe. तो ये दोनों को कंबाइन करेंगे हम Ni प्लस Fe. सो Nif. Like this the Nif is been formed. Iron plus nickel is Nif. So now dear students, as we have done about the inners of the inside of the earth, let me just give you a brief recap of what all we have done. First of all, the outer layer of the earth is the we can see ourselves, plants, air, water and everything which is visible. Inside the earth, now we have, if we go into mythology, they'll say patal. Patal hai inside the earth. But no, now we are aware that there are many things, that is like core, mental and crush. 3 layers are there. Layers are more over there, but in this class you are concerned with only these 3 layers. As you can see, I've given you the example of egg. Egg shell is, you can, when the boiled egg shell is, you can define it as crush, because it is the thin and the hard solid part. Then inside it white, that is the mental, and the yellow part of the egg, you can compare it and can keep it in your mind as core. So then the crush, mental and the core. Then comes the crush. We discussed about the crush, that the crush is the uppermost layer over the earth's surface is called the crush. जो earth का जो uppermost layer है और जो कि thin है और solid है, that we can call as crush. And it is thin of all the layers. अपने सब layers में से बहुत पतला है, thin है वो. About 35 kilometers on the continental masses. वो above the 35 kilometers है अपने बाकी सब masses से. And over 5 kilometer on the oceanic crush. 5 kilometers है oceanic crush से. And then give you the example with the help of diagram, that how the oceanic crust and the continental crust, 3500 kilometers and 35 kilometers and 5 kilometers difference. Now the oceanic crust is comprised of 3 layers, that is, it is made up of silica and magma are heavy, so that way they comprise it. The main Then we have discussed about the main minerals, that is continental crust and the silica and the aluminium, that is Si plus Al, that is Sial. Then we discussed about silica and magma, that is Si plus Ma is Sima. Then we are now clear that the uppermost layer is crust, that is Sial, that is continental crust, then Sima, that is oceanic crust. Mantle, just beneath the crust is the mantle, and after that the core. The innermost layer of the earth is the core. So dear students, now we have completed till here. Now in the next session we will be doing the rocks and the minerals. Thank you and have a nice day.